gels again. So if you are the first time tuning in, welcomes to Glitz Accessory and Such Life tutorial. I keep dropping something. And here is a press on nails and glue on nails I would like to share with you. So again, it's 30 seconds for this one after the keying premium iHo chamfer foil. If you're using the iHo chamfer foil, which is a white bottle, you just need to key it for 60 seconds. So 30 seconds for this one. Wait, where my chandelier? Where my chandelier? My jar's chandelier somewhere. Can I get it back?
You want to play with that?
Yeah, I need the did I took it away from maybe I need this. If not, then I can do another ones with instead of chandelier. You want to see the chandeliers on one of this? And maybe a gold or silver. Silver looks cute though. Either way it looks good. Doesn't matter. We can do this one. Next one will be our Louis. And do you think is that silver? I don't know. Some of the clients like silver, some clients like gold. I don't know what you want to do, or I can play with the frames and show you with all of that. So let's move this cute one away for a minute, and let's lay our Louis right along with this. If you are getting your sticker collection is great. You can like doing on the nails, or you can encapsulating. A lot of questions ask if you can encapsulating stickers like a chamfer foil. Absolutely, yes, you can. Make sure you press it firmly. Hi, Sarisa. Make sure I say hi to you because sometimes I was in the spots I didn't get to see. Hi, Renee. Thank you, Renee. Thank you, Michelle. Debbie, are you on Instagram or are you on Facebook? Great. Oh, so beautiful.
So Alexandra asked, we don't have to file the buff or do nothing to the nail tip before?
This nail, no, absolutely no. It's already shaped it for you. So that is really awesome about this. Is it special for press on and glue on for the longer medium coffin? You absolutely don't have to do anything unless you really offer the clients with like a custom, like getting them a little bit shorter. Then a little bit it's gonna be more works for you if you're okay with your clients. But this is a good length though. It's way shorter than my nails, so the client should be able to be okay, you know. It's shorter than my nails, so it should be okay. Just for your information. So with this one, I'm gonna create this look that did it before. A lot of you were asking. And look at this. Every single piece is chamfer really well with our chamfer foil gel. So if you having a hard time to get all of them chamfer, you can check it out, our chamfer foil gel, and see how it works for you, and let me know how it works. And every single pieces, I keep it here so I can show you how it chamfer, like even. And hi Sarah, hi Jennifer, Fire Goodness Nails, hello. All right, so I'm gonna using this, but also you can do any colors. You can do like if you have a hint of even you can use this one of this, you know, like is a touch of colors. It looks super cute if you want to. However you would like it. I'm gonna do this one so then you can see. This is Dazzle Berry. That's the name of this color. It like a little bit pink, shimmery, or if you have some colors like this, you can using it on. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. If you want just shimmery, or you can do a silver, or you can do a gold. It doesn't matter. It looks beautiful anyway. So here for 60 seconds for this nails. And if you don't want this hint of shimmery, you don't have to put it on. you can just go straight into the crystal placements. So let me see. Do you want to see this look on this chandelier silver, or do you want to this look how I dress the frames and charm together? I can do either way, the way you would like to seeing it, because I'm gonna wait for all of you to tell me what I should do. Thank you, Renee. Renee said your nails are so beautiful. Thank you, Renee. I'm about to get my nails done again because they've been like going to what, how many weeks now? I hope it 2 or maybe 3. I don't remember, but I think it's, and then they last though. So I get some frames and bars from silver and gold metal frames. This is one of my favorites, like accessory beside crystals that I can play so many with. And this is really is cool. Awesome is the beads and frames collections. All right, so this one is done for the colors, and I am going to using condensed glue gels. Let me move this so it won't look cluttery. Condensed glue gels. Somehow this one, it keep going right there, because I think you want to place on the top of that, and this looks offside. So this is really thick density, so I am going to apply it right on the top. And if you are first time using condensed glue gel, do not worry that a thick density, because that is supposed to be like that. Just blend it nicely and it's going really nice on the nails. And next we're going to using a no wipe top coat. All right, here it's just right on my side, didn't see it. And this is gonna be floating on the top of condensed glue gels. Happy Monday, everyone. How everyone doing? Okay, hold on. Is everybody say what?
Yeah.
Frames and charms for sure. Okay, Vanessa. Frame and charms. Do you have that two? Do you have two? Do you have the two band the charms on your side? Yes. Dazzle girls now. Yes, it's called frame benders. If you search for frame benders, that's this one. Are you talking about this one, sweetie? Yep, it's a frame bender, and it's really cool. It has come a different color, but it's right now that's the colors we have left. It's just the white one. And we're changing a different colors as each batch is like sold out. We're changing a different look, a different color, so everybody won't be tired of it. Like different colors, like in pink and different shape, I think. But as they work the same, if you get it, you get come with a set, which is one is smaller and one of the bigger for the smaller band, for the smaller frame, and then for the bigger frame, so that you come with a whole two of them in one set. So you say that is I am going to so that one I might be create the same one I have. There you go. This one a low battery. Oh, I'm so excited with this one. Hold on, where my AB?
Lisa from Facebook asked what the stuff for.
Oh, Lisa, what the star for? Lisa, that is a frame bender. I'm gonna show you just a second after I'm done with this placement here. When it here, I'm gonna show you. It's really cool. I love it. It's so handy. And you see a lot of your frames that is when it come in, is some of them are big and it's just straight, so it's hard to like, we got to hear so many different, like, you know, take like, they have to use a pencil to bend it, but sometimes it doesn't work, and this one do it all for you, and I'm so pleased with that because it does all the work for me. So when I do for the clients, it was not, it's like, it's kind of like lay right curve nice on the C curve of the client's nail, so I don't have to worry about like if the edges is like straight and it hanging off. That is really cool. I'm gonna show you just a second, and then you see it how it's bent really nice, and I'm so obsessed with that because I can do a lot of designs now and place the frames without have to worry about like it's gonna hang up on the edges of the client's nails. There you go. You don't have to dress all this. This summer fun, like we're doing it, it's just an option. You can do like less of this, or it depends on how the clients is. Some ideas that you can do so many with. If you like, it's really trendy now. The clients love the clear nails and see-through, like kind of a glass nails, and I'm really excited to do with this. This is so simple, easy. So when you get your press on and glue on kits, like you have like over 1,000 tips to work with. Like imagine if you're doing one client like with 10 nails, 10 tips. I mean, when you size them, you will probably make 150 sets out of it. But if you are doing like 20 nails like I'm doing, you're still able to doing a lot. Like even like if the solid set you're doing a color to ring fingers, it depends on how you chalk the clients. It could be between at least like 35, 45. Like mostly majority of solid set is stuff from $35. So when you're doing some really fancy crystals on for the clients, so some of the sets you can go up to like 75, 85, or $100 or more if the clients want bling their nails completely. Looks really good. You can add more, like you can go on and on more if really it's up to you. I love watching Sarah and then Vicky doing all work, and it's doing a fun nails as well. And all of you, I got to see, like I say, new nails did really good. Live us did really good too. It's really beautiful, ladies. Thank you so much for sharing with us. It's about all like sharing and humble and learning and inspire and be inspired from each other. That's how we keep our community and our like beauty industries, you know, stay strong and growing. Great. If you're happy with this, it looks so much going on because it's so bright with all blings we have on. But when I take it off from that stand, it's gonna look so much better. And we'll put the box that I don't know what you should call that. That's a little maybe a tiny little chisel box. It's a fancy box.